Good day, everyone. My name is Sheena Marie Halina Montenegro, SND, and I will be talking about the guidelines in arranging stocks in the storage areas. Our objectives is first, know the guidelines in arranging stocks in the storage areas, and second is to identify the importance of storeroom arrangement in food service. As an introduction, organizing storage areas is the foremost step toward improving the operations. Through effective storage design, the workers will spend less time picking or storing products, right? So here are our guidelines. First, foods and supplies should be stored in an orderly or systematic arrangement. A designated place should be assigned to each item with similar products grouped together. So as you can see in the picture, the foods and food supplies are systematically arranged. Second, the containers are dated and usually left in the original package. As you can see that the containers have dates on it and or placed in tightly covered containers if the lots are broken. What do you mean by the lots are broken? In packaging, we have the so-called lot number, an identification number assigned to a particular quantity or material from a single manufacturer. This can also be called as the batch number, the code number, or with lot code. So if these packages are broken, you can simply transfer it to a cleaner and safe covered container. Third, all items should be stored on racks or shelves instead of directly on the floor or against the wall. So you can use slatted floor, racks, pallets, or wheeled metal platforms. So this picture shows a good example of a organized and arranged storage area, and this is an example of an organized storage area. So our fourth guideline is hand or power lifts are useful for moving loaded pallets from one location to another, but the aisles between shelves and platforms should be wide enough for the use of such mobile equipment. So this is an example of a hand lift and a power lift. So as you can see in the picture that the aisle is wide enough for this equipment to be used. And fifth, shelving, preferably metal and adjustable, is recommended for canned foods or other items that have been removed from cases. The items can be arranged according to the groups and foods, and each group can be placed on the shelves in alphabetical order. So in storing in our storage areas of our food, it is preferably that the metal will be used as our shelves. And sixth, broken lots of dry food such as sugar and flour should be stored in metal or plastic containers with tightly fitted lids. So there are three ideal criteria in choosing a perfect or good container. First is the material, which we usually use glass or plastic, but make sure that if it is plastic, it is BPA free. And second is the shape. It is usually round or rectangle. Round is ideal for salads and liquids, and the rectangular is ideal for meat and sides. And the third one is the lids. Some don't like using lids with clasp because they are thinner and store easier, but it's worth noting that clasps offer extra source of leak protection. And for our seventh guide, shelves should be far enough of the floor and away from the wall to permit a free flow of air. So some state regulations may have specific measures, such as floor is 6 inches away from it or the food item, and the wall, which is 18 inches. So it is used to reduce chances of condensation brought up by temperature differences between the containers and surface against which it rests, and also to facilitate the cleaning and pest control. The eighth guideline is food should also be stored in FIFO, or the first in, first out method. So as you can see in the picture, newest in the back and oldest to the front. And lastly, alphabetical arrangement facilitates counting when the physical inventory is taken or locating items when filling storeroom requisition. A chart showing the arrangement of supplies is helpful to storeroom personnel. It should be posted near the door or some other place where it can be easily seen. So in a storage area, there should be this chart that is showing the arrangement of supplies so that the workers can easily know where to put or to get that certain supply. And as our conclusion, the good thing about following these guidelines and arranging stocks in the storage area is that it will determine how quickly the workers can retrieve orders and stock products. The faster task will be carried out and the better the facility operates. So having a good organization of products and a clear layout of racks, the storage area can quickly process the incoming and outgoing of goods. Additionally, a productive plan increases customer satisfaction and helps improve worker morale. So that would be all, and I hope you learned something. Thank you!